Hi guys, it's Andrea here, and in the very last period, I have tried to move from Windows 11 to Badzeta 43 NVIDIA Edition in order to play video game without the dependencies with Microsoft operating system. Because I'm curious, I work in IT technologies. I tried all different operating system. I have no Motherflex. I only wanted to try. And after a week using Bazite 43, I would like to share my opinion. Speaking about the operating system, it works quite well. All the hardware was recognized immediately. No issue with printer, no issue with Wi-Fi devices, no issues with Bluetooth devices. Everything was working out of the box. But the main reason because this kind of operating system exists is to move gamers from Windows to operative system like Linux systems. So I was curious to try this one and also Pop OS. I have tried Batsita because the interface is cool and to be honest, all the system is well designed. I'm happy about that. But there is a problem. I have tried different games, not very recent, like for example Resident Evil Village, Alien Fireteam Elite, or also old 8-bit games like Heroes of Hammerwatch. But in all these cases, there are limitations compared with Windows. Not only performance is limitation, but mostly stability limitations. Because even if, as you can see, now I moved from Wayland to Xorg graphical platform because I have tried switching different version of Proton, Proton 9, Proton 10. I have tried moving from Wayland to um, Xorg, but the same. Every game I have tried, even if searching in the Proton database, there was score gold or platinum about stability of the game, but I had different crashes often without any logic, not limited or in function of graphical load, because for example games like Heroes of Armorwatch or A Rating plus XM are very old and very light for my hardware. My hardware is not so new, but it's not so old. So I think it's a very good combination uh, to search for stability. But for now, I have to move out from Badzite because of all the crashes. Um, it's sad because the interface of the software is clean, everything is working generally nice, even if there are some bugs on the updates of the user interface. Uh, for example, if you delete a big amount of files, Dolphin file manager doesn't refresh itself. You can think that some files keep existing, but they don't exist anymore. There are also a lot of other bugs in the interfaces. Um, but anyway, it's a good work as average. But for now, I would like to move to Pop OS. That should be more stable to do this. It's based on Ubuntu and not based on Fedora. And for now, I would like to try again with Pop OS, but I'm scared that even now, even if the 2026 is close, there is no comparison. Windows is much better for gaming, and it's the reason because you will buy a gaming PC is to play, and in that cases there is no other choice. Windows works better. So if you are interested, I would like to try Pop! OS soon. I give the same feedback, but for now I have tried different version of Proton. different version of graphical platforms. I have tried changing graphical settings, but it's not my job. My job is to use the computer for the reason I have bought the computer, gaming. So for now, Windows 11 is better, even if Bad City is not so bad. So if you're interested, um, keep updated, subscribe to the channel if you like. I will return soon with update using Pop! OS that they say should be more stable. Let's try. And thanks for your time.